In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ideas that can help in making money on YouTube. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. Do you want to make money on the internet? Making a career as a YouTuber could be a wise decision. YouTube receives more than 1 billion unique users per month, which is a significant amount of traffic. Many people are already making money on YouTube. The company alone has 1 million creators participating in its YouTube Partner Program. You will be able to earn approximately $2 to $4 for every 1,000 views, depending on your niche. If you consider making 100 videos with 5,000 views each, this is already $1,000 to $2,000, which is not a large sum by any means. That would be a respectable sum of money to win. If you want to start a journey on YouTube, don't think of it as a monetization platform. Instead, think of it as a catalyst to help you grow your existing income stream. Some examples of how to make money on YouTube are as follows. Number 10. Use YouTube to get traffic to your website and blog. If you have a website or blog that generates income, you will require traffic. The Google Panda, Penguin, and Hummingbird updates all had a negative impact on a large number of websites. If something like this happened to you, you're probably in pain. Using YouTube, you can not only reclaim lost traffic, but also generate new ones. Start with a creator playbook to get your project off the ground. Once you've got everything set up, think about repurposing some of your older content into videos, as well as creating some new ones. Check to see that you have included a link to your own website in the first line of your video descriptions so that you can direct your YouTube traffic to the destination you want it to go. Number 9. Create products and promote them on YouTube. If you're making your own products, or if you'd like to start, YouTube provides an almost limitless number of opportunities to promote them and make sales. Ebooks, apps, art, and music are examples of the types of products you can create. Create your products and then place them in a shopping cart to sell them. After that, you can promote them on YouTube. Include a link to your product in the description of your video so that viewers can purchase it. Number 8. Sell others' products as an affiliate marketer. The term affiliate marketing refers to the practice of selling products in exchange for a commission. The affiliate marketing industry is booming, with hundreds of thousands of companies offering lucrative incentives to affiliate marketers who promote their products. These companies include both large corporations such as Amazon and eBay and smaller startups. Additionally, there are a variety of affiliate networks that you can become a member of. ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareSale.com are examples of affiliate networks. If you want to make money from YouTube as an affiliate marketer, you should either review your affiliate products on video or create tutorials on how to use the product. It is essential that you incorporate hyperlinks to your products into your YouTube descriptions. Make certain to use your affiliate link, otherwise you will not receive credit for any sales. Number 7. Create a web TV series. Do you enjoy telling stories? YouTube enables you to create your own web TV shows from scratch. You are only limited by your imagination and your financial resources. You can create a comedy series, a drama series, or even your own talk show with the help of this program. Keep in mind that YouTube has a 15-minute limit on the length of your show. You'll need to increase your upload limit if you want to upload longer videos. If you're a frustrated TV or screenwriter, get a group of friends together and start recording your own television shows on your computer. You never know what might happen. If you receive a large number of views, you may be able to start a new career. Number 6. Become a YouTube personality. YouTube stars have the potential to make a lot of money. PewDiePie, despite the fact that he has recently lost a significant amount of advertising, remains the highest paid YouTube star, earning $15 million in 2016. On the basis of his publications for a week, it was estimated that he could earn more than $13,000. Create a YouTube channel if you have unusual ideas or are passionate about your interests. You can make money from your channel. You never know, you might end up being the next YouTube sensation. Number 5. Test market your products. YouTube is a fantastic resource for market research. You can quickly determine whether your brilliant, innovative idea has the potential to be profitable by watching a few videos. Consider the following example. If you have an idea for a product but are in need of funding, make some videos first before launching a Kickstarter campaign. Whether or not your idea is viable in its current form will be determined by how many people watch and comment on your videos. The YouTube audience may even be able to assist you in making it financially viable so that your fundraising efforts are successful. Number 4. Build your brand using YouTube. Tom Peters, a marketing guru who first spoke out in 1997, stated that you are a brand with significant power. YouTube assists you in amplifying your voice. Whatever you're doing, and whatever your job, YouTube can assist you in becoming known for your strengths and earning money in the process. If you have no clear idea of how you could make money on YouTube, start by creating videos about your hobbies or interests that you can share with others. It's possible that you will come across a gold mine. It's the same thing that people who have made their pets famous have done. Continue reading if you want to grow your personal brand on YouTube but don't know where to begin or how to do so effectively. There are 4 steps to this process, which you will be guided through by this guide. Step 1. Decide on a specific niche. Step number 2. Choose the most appropriate keywords. Step 3. Make your YouTube channel more visible. Many YouTubers believe that simply creating video content is sufficient. If you want to establish your personal brand on YouTube, you must do more than just create content. You must also promote your channel. You must also promote the content you have created. Step 4. Make your YouTube channel profitable. Keep your ears peeled. This section is extremely important. Those of you who remember step number 1 will recall that we talked about finding your niche and focusing on your tribe. This is the point at which your decision will really pay off. Selling advertisements on a YouTube channel is the worst way to monetize a YouTube channel. YouTube does not typically compensate its content creators in a significant amount of money. Number 3. Scheduled videos. The likelihood of viewers catching your content increases significantly if you publish it within a specific time frame and on a regular basis. It may also encourage them to subscribe to your channel, which will increase their likelihood of following you. It is critical to have a core audience that will always be interested in your content if you want to ensure that your videos receive the maximum number of views possible. This also helps to ensure a consistent flow of income for the family. Number 2. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is the practice of raising small amounts of capital from a large number of people in order to finance a new business venture or project. In order to bring investors and entrepreneurs together, crowdfunding makes use of the easy accessibility of vast networks of people through social media platforms and crowdfunding websites. This has the potential to increase entrepreneurship by expanding the pool of investors beyond the traditional circle of owners, relatives, and venture capitalists. With the introduction of crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter and Indiegogo, the practice is becoming more and more common. The possibility of making money from your YouTube project is very real if you have a fantastic idea for one. Not only does it help you raise the money you need for your project, but it also helps you build an audience and generate revenue for it in the future. For example, the well-known YouTube channel Corridor Digital uses Patreon to raise funds for their videos or movie projects in exchange for special perks in return for their patronage of the channel. Number 1. Seek sponsorship. Nowadays, a large number of businesses sponsor YouTube channels in order to promote their products and services. Audible from Amazon, which frequently sponsors knowledge-giving shows such as Vsauce and Veritasium, would be a good example of a common source. The advantage of this is that you can receive the sponsored amount directly rather than having to split it with YouTube. If you want to be considered for a sponsorship, you may need to put together a detailed proposal detailing the services you can offer. Make certain that you are well informed about your target audience as well as the brand you are approaching. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.